Welcome. In front of me is CHUWI GemiBook X Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check the graphics card on this laptop. To do that, you can open the Start menu, then go to Settings, then select the System section, and then scroll down to the About section, open it, and here you'll have your graphics card with the VRAM memory, and here is the name of the graphics card. Down below you'll also find your devices and system specifications, but if you want to check all the specifications of your graphics card, then right click the taskbar, open Task Manager, then go to the Performance section and select GPU tab. And in GPU tab you'll be able to find the name of your graphics card and the specifications of it, as well as monitor it in the real time. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.